When plumbing disasters strike, you need help fast. That's where we come in. Our team of professionals plumbers is available 24/7. No more waiting till morning or worrying about who to call. We're reliable, trustworthy, and always ready to fix your plumbing woes. Whether it's a clogged drain, a leaky faucet, or a full-blown flood, our experts handle it all with speed and precision. Plus, we treat your home with the respect it deserves, so next time you face a plumbing emergency, remember we're just a phone call away. Because your peace of mind matters to us. Need a plumber now? Call us anytime, day or night. We're here to help.